Alright, good morning. Chris here. Going to be another really hot and steamy Oklahoma day. They're saying 105 degree heat indexes. And next week I'm going to be getting into the Chevy here and heading east toward Michigan. But I'm going to take this truck through Tennessee. And so I've been getting this thing ready to rock and roll for the road trip. Did a DIY oil change. I had a Wix oil filter and got some Mobile One, changed it out. I've done so many videos on oil changing of this 6-year-old truck. This is a 14 Chevy Silverado. Also got some Meguiar's spray wax and wheeled out the hood. Hood always seems to have the most water spots. Alright, so let's get to doing a quick little video, I wouldn't say quick, of this DeWalt 20 volt lithium air compressor. This thing is the best thing since sliced bread, tuna fish, and cat litter, I can tell you right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to top off the tires, and the door decal says to inflate them up to, was it 32 pounds? Yep, 32 pounds. And that's what we're going to do. I'm probably about 32 and a half on this. So let me get the tripod set up so you can watch, and I can talk a little bit more about this unit right here. Alright, so here we go. So this is the air compressor unit itself. This is the DCC0201 air inflator type 1, 12 volt or 20 volt. And it comes with all kinds of accessories. It's good for blowing up inner tubes and stuff. Comes with all the little things in there, attachments. But one really cool thing, if you don't want to use your battery, your 20 volt lithium battery, you can plug it right into the 12 volt power socket. It has a little cubby hole here for the cord. Slick. Slick, slick, slick. Alright, so what we're going to do is that we're going to turn the unit on. This is lighted right here. This is going to indicate what your actual tire pressure is, and then the way you set it is you have this little wheel dial where you want to put it. And I'll show you. So let's plug it in. Like that. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Alright, so you see it says 30.6 on the tire right now. So, but I want 32 and a half. So what you do is wheel it up to 32.5 and you hit play. The little play button right here. Bada bing. Shuts right off at 32.5. You see that right there? You're done. Like I said, easy peasy lemon squeezy, baby. Take this out. Put it back on. And you are good to go. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Oh yeah, it has a little light right here too. You turn the light on. See there? Little button right here. Turn the light on and off. Take the battery out. I keep a couple of these in the truck, and I also have a 12 volt charger for these batteries too, which I keep in the truck, that you can charge with the 12 volt power socket, but you got to have the engine running to do that, not to get the voltage up high enough. But man, they don't make it any easier than that. It's a solid unit. Now, I don't know how high this goes on PSI. You have to read the instructions and other reviews, but I'm sure it goes up high enough for most people. Alright, there you have it. Have a good, safe journey if you're out on the road.